West Karbianong multi-utility building athing no along Asdc, Hdc, Aatpc, Jccpa, Karaa, Knca, Ksa Atum Chingrum si Bordar Aputhak Kachesong pon. Pinini jang Karbianong hamren multi-utility building athing no along party Jccpa pin pen Bordar Aputhak Kachesong pon along mai Jccpa pon. Abarim MLA Sarsing Inglengsi mai Jccpa pon pen mesen pen bangsu Kachesong pachun pon. Bangsolong aluhi sarpwa mana pengpen kachitong dun khorsing teron holiram terang ramsing tokbi lapen pinang an ke thikringa tum chitong dun pen Bordar Aputhak Kachesong along RD pitun renti hamren pen bidera mineng reports Karbi Daily News
Central government long tamahi modala bangke hangwa be kalili kalang alam thesi kalidet alam thesi ahok hedet ahok pet alam the kalidet sita tu bangke ne kahuri sai pan kapahuri sai pan bangke political le pe do phan noi sin bangke Meghalaya sor apa aning pirung pen sahadak ta BJP tum mane ali longi mene lalo pen isi bangke dat Karbi tum phan kaita nage dong ber ye panti asam sarkar bang kabori do lai jone si laka dispute tu don ahok per bangke ahoy bangke klasta ahoy puthak thang ke bhong nang yalam te
non hejong la council long all party la meeting pa do pot da song thek wan ni to maning kle do
ang thek thang da wi kendo ni dak lo hala sor ni ke pha pu penan to phan pha lo bisalam council sor do wek lo MLA tum do lo MP do lo pen abari ma MP abari ma MLA to pha lo pu sipu monta ni phan ke nang kha pe ni le arju lo MLA barim to pha lo pu bang ke ni ha meeting ju der phe kar ju lo mane tuliram lo ha ke ha me thang se ke ni ye alang li mane MLA barim tum ta phalo Dr. Mansing Ropi ta dun puta uta hala so alang ni yeder pe ni liga chini dun ni MLA barim tum pha monta ni ta MLA ke kaman tang lo ke ha monta lang so lo ni kan krep polo mati ni le pa bangke kachena mane pi ni chin dalo bonang pha pe la la song poson ni bangke hada ason so chingwai lo ta chingwai ta api mi ukali monta isibet alam te ke perai do la bangke alang du pu bangke Bordar Vigilance Protection Committee pe doi puta la baga hada garo sorpensi pe do la ke councilor so chiprai no rong so kai ta min thang along di baga hoi bang silang bo jo se rong so si hada hoi adui lang nai pulte police pe kam lonte nang tum pudangoi tum police na pipelo pudangoi so hawar ke asam sarkar lang le pura pudangoi pulen tum ni hang ling klempo masala Bordar Protection Vigilance Committee pu bangke lake suli lelam lo si arni si le
The sit-in demonstration has jointly been organized by the Hdc, Asdc, Ksa, Knca, Karaa, Karbianglong, Rongasaramay. And the purpose of the sit-in demonstration is to protest against the constant aggression from Meghalaya into Karbianglong and the Assam government's inaction in issues to ensure the safety and security of the lives and properties of the people living in areas along the border with Meghalaya. Our first demand, the major demand is the withdrawal of the committee headed by Piyush Hazarika, because in our understanding there is no dispute along the Karbianglong Meghalaya boundary. The dispute is an invented one and invented by some vested interest groups of peoples from Meghalaya, and that's why there is no dispute. There was no dispute. There is no dispute along the boundary, along the border areas, and that's why we demand withdrawal of the committee headed by Piyush Hazarika from the regional committees constituted for the purpose of this give and take policy. And one thing, we never asked the Khasi brothers to go to Meghalaya, not to live in Karbi Anglong. We have been living to Karbi and Khasi have been living together from time immemorial, and we will continue to live together in the days to come also. And that